How to enable audio in Sharex screen recording. First, open Sharex on your Windows PC. Go to Task Settings, then select Screen Recorder and open the screen recording options. Look for the FFmpeg settings. If FFmpeg isn't installed, use Sharex's option to download or install the required FFmpeg components. Next, check your audio source settings. Select your microphone if you want to record your voice. If you also want to capture computer audio, select the appropriate system audio device available on your PC. Make sure Windows has given Sharex permission to access your microphone. Go to Windows Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone, and make sure microphone access is enabled. Now, start a test screen recording and speak into your microphone. Play the recording afterward and check whether the audio is included. Finally, restart Sharex and test the recording again. If FFmpeg or the audio device is configured correctly, your screen recording should now include audio. And that's how to enable audio in Sharex screen recording using FFmpeg. For more Sharex and Windows tutorials, like this video and subscribe for more.